In 1783, a massive wildfire swept through the Great Plains, leaving charred earth in its wake. Yet, this fiery devastation was a blessing in disguise. The flames cleared old, dead grass, making way for new growth. This cycle of destruction and renewal was vital for the ecosystem. Native tribes understood this, using controlled burns to manage the land. But why did settlers fear fire so much? They saw only destruction, not the rebirth it brought. Today, we recognize fire's role in maintaining biodiversity. Without it, grasslands would turn to forests, losing their unique flora and fauna. Isn't nature's balance fascinating?